you know how much your future pension benefit will be when you retire? If you're a member of the Shared Risk Plan for certain bargaining employees of NB hospitals, also known as the CBE Pension Plan, getting an estimate of your future pension benefit is easy. You can do it yourself anytime. Whether you're considering retiring soon or have many years to go, it's important to keep track of your pension benefit to ensure you will be ready financially when you retire. Many financial planners recommend that you should aim to replace 70% of your pre-retirement income. An advantage of monitoring your future CBE pension benefit now is that you can better prepare and know how much you should aim to supplement with personal savings. Please note that the information provided in this video relates to the pension benefit you will receive from the CBE pension plan only. It does not take other sources of retirement income that you may have into consideration. Before we look at how to calculate your future CBE pension benefit, a quick reminder that if you're an active pension plan member, you and your employer both contributed 7.8% of eligible earnings to your CBE pension. Other earnings, such as overtime, are not pensionable. Your future CBE pension benefit is calculated using different formulas based on the periods that you have contributed to the plan. There are 3 different time periods to consider. Contributions for any service which occurred prior to January 1st, 1990. Contributions made for service from January 1st, 1990 to June 30th, 2012. And what we call post-conversion service, which includes all service since July 1st, 2012, the date the plan converted to the shared risk model, to today. The formulas for each period vary slightly. Since it's very common for members to have contributed during 2 or 3 of these periods, calculations are carried out for each period and totaled together to provide one full monthly pension. If you're interested to know the formulas for how these different periods are calculated, please refer to either your plan's at-a-glance document or plan member booklet available at cbenb.ca. Due to the number of formulas used to calculate your pension benefits under the CBE pension plan, it will likely be difficult for members to accurately calculate their future pension benefit themselves. Fortunately, there's an online self-service pension estimate calculator to make it possible for you to get an estimate of what your future pension benefit from the CBE pension plan will be. All you need to use is a copy of your employee statement of pension benefits, which is mailed to you annually. The Employee Statement of Pension Benefits is a multi-page document that is provided to you if you were an active contributing member of the CBE pension plan during the statement period. It looks like this and contains important information such as how much pensionable service you've accumulated under the plan up to the date noted on the statement. To better understand your statement, a booklet explaining it in detail is available on the CBE website. If you don't have your most recent statement, please contact our plan service provider, Vescor, who will provide you with your most recent statement. To access the self-service pension estimate calculator, visit vescor.org/calculators. There are 5 steps to completing an estimate. First, there's an introduction which explains the purpose of the online calculation. Next, there is a disclaimer to read and agreed upon by the user. The third step is where you input information specific to your CBE pension plan, as provided within your Employee Statement of Pension Benefits, along with some basic information such as your date of birth and annual salary. The fourth step requires you to include your retirement goals, including what date you would like to retire and when you would like to start receiving your pension. Please note that you can come back to this screen to enter any number of different dates and see how they will impact your projected monthly pension amount. Finally, click the Calculate button and you get the results page that looks like this. In this sample of results, please note that the estimated pension is provided in 2 groupings. The first bar, which contains both the projected lifetime and bridge benefit payable, provides the projected monthly pension that would be payable prior to age 65. The second bar provides the projected monthly pension payable that would be payable after reaching age 65. It essentially provides just the lifetime benefit without the bridge benefit, which ceases to be paid once members reach the age of 65. Please note that you can also press the Calculation Details button for a summary of the variables entered to produce the estimate, and you can either save or print your estimate for future reference. In addition, a link to the Canada Revenue Agency is also provided so that you can get a sense of the monthly income tax that will be deducted from your pension benefit once you retire. Notice the bridge benefit is shown on your estimate using the pension estimate calculator. We'll take a moment to explain what it represents. The bridge benefit applies to members who choose to retire before the age of 65. It is meant to supplement your income until you reach age 65 and are eligible to receive an unreduced Canada Pension Plan or CPP pension benefit. It applies from your earlier retirement date until you reach age 65. It's often mistaken as a penalty or clawback when the bridge benefit ceases to be paid once a member reaches age 65. However, it is important to note that the bridge benefit is in reality an additional benefit provided to those who retire early until the unreduced CPP benefit is available. It is also important to note that members who retire prior to age 65 who elect to receive their CPP benefit prior to age 65 will still be paid the CBE bridging benefit until they reach age 65. Please note there are other variables that could impact your CBE pension benefit, such as cost of living adjustments and early or late retirement factors. These items will be covered in a future video. To make it easy as possible to use the calculator, an instructional video is also available on the calculator page at vescor.org/calculators. It's never too early to begin planning your retirement and knowing how much you could expect to receive from your CBE pension benefit. As noted throughout this video, there are many key resources to help you better prepare for retirement and understand your CBE pension. These include your CBE Pension Plan website, which includes the plan's member booklet, member newsletters, additional videos, and various forms you may need. Our recently launched resource, Money Matters, dedicated to helping members strengthen their financial know-how. A life events section, which provides details about how certain life events, like taking a leave of absence, ending a spousal relationship, and more, can impact your pension. If you have any questions about your pension plan, please contact Vescor, the CBE's Pension Plan Administrator Services Provider and Investment Manager, toll free at 1-800-561-4012, or locally in Fredericton at 506-453-2296. You can always send an email to info@vescor.org or visit our website at cbenb.ca. Thank you.